John, today we're at Tewkesbury again, the QuickGrind Technology Centre, and we're stood in front of the Quaser. Quite a workhorse, this machine. You know, it's a nice demo, hard material. What's the material?
Yeah, it's a H13 hardened around about 50 Rockwell.
Okay, now tell us about the demo in general. We've got a number of tools on here, some tools being quite aggressive and some finishing tools as well.
Yeah, we've got a nice range of tools actually on this component. We've got the new range of Mirage tools, which we call the Mirage Super, which is an upgrade from the Mirage standard tool that we have already. We have the Bulldog tool, which works in nearly any steel that you can imagine. And we have Reaper tools, Gladiators, and multi-fluid Demons, and our new range of Jaguar drills for H13 material.
Okay, so if we start with the first tool, what is it? What's it doing?
Well, the first tool we've got is a 7-fluted 16mm Mirage Super. And the reason we've gone for the 7-flute is the metal removal rate you can get over the 5-flute is virtually double. We would tend to run a 5-flute and get around about 38, 39 cubic centimetres per minute removal. With the 7-flute, even though we're doing a less width of cut, we're running at a lot faster data, and we're actually nearly double the MRR to 70 cubic centimetres per minute.
Yeah, that's impressive. And how about the next one?
The next tool following that is the Bulldog, which is ideally used in a H13 softened steel. We sell these by the thousands to the dye industry all across the world, and they're fully remanufacturable. People send them back, we remanufacture them and send them off again, and they are a complete workhorse. Probably one of the best steel cutting tools I've ever used in machining.
And just on that, remanufacturing, just for the people that don't know, what's the difference?
So we don't just offer a regrinding service at QuickGrind, we offer a full remanufacture, which means as long as you return the tool to us in let's say a fair condition, we'd like you to use the tools, but if you smash them to pieces, there's nothing we can do about them. But you get them back to us in a fair condition, and we have to do a full remanufacturing, like a full refurb of the tool. It's recut on the geometry, recoated, and just sent back to you then. And we work to any kind of remits that you give us, diameters, lengths, that kind of thing.
And if we move on to the third tool in the demonstration.
So the third tool, the third, fourth and fifth are a series of Reaper tools. Now these are very small neck tools. We tend to work on diameters from 1mm up to 10mm. We do 12s if people require them. And we have a 10mm which is finishing, we have an 8mm which is roughing, and a 6mm which is semi-finishing.
And just for the people that don't know of that range, what is that range, and what does it hope to achieve by using them?
Oh, well, the Reapers ideally are using hardened materials. As soon as you start getting above the 45, 46 Rockwells, you need to start looking at a little bit extra tooling. These tools cannot be remanufactured like a lot of those QuickGrind tools, but they are extremely effective in working at high feed in hardened materials.
And when we look at the swarf on this job, perfect, isn't it, John?
It is a really nice demo actually. There's some really nice programming strategies on it as well, so there's a nice selection of tooling, and the part itself looks a really nice part. It's a good demo.
And John, for the people that don't know, infinite possibilities, you make drills also.
That's right, yes. We've been making micro drills for quite a long time now. They're used again in the dye industry for pre-drilling for wires, spark erosion, that kind of thing. Then we just moved up now, and we can offer 6 or 7 different ranges of drills. On this component we're using what's called the Jaguar drill, which is designed for H13, soft and hard. And yeah, like you touched on before, infinite possibilities. Most people would say 6, 8, 10 times D would be a standard tool to have, but we like to make you what you want. So if you need an 11 times D or 4 times D, that's what we will make you. Diameters to suit, neck lengths to suit, through coolant, plane. Just give us a call and we'll get back to you with an inquiry.
And you haven't just dreamed this up, have you? Like a lot of stuff in engineering, it's come from customers wanting it, and you've tried them on customers, and you have great success with these drills.
Yes, we have. Yeah, we've just done a few tests with them. We couldn't be running at about 175 VC, I think, 0.3 per tooth. So we're not hanging around with them. I think we just drilled a drilling trial recently with a 10.5mm drill. It's done over 775 holes, over 1300mm a minute feed rate. So it really is pushing through.
So with QuickGrind, infinite possibilities, that's exactly it, infinite possibilities.
It is infinite possibilities, and we want to impress on people. People say specials, and the term specials sounds quite a lot. a tool that we make for a specific customer would be their customer's tool. Now most people make like a DIN standard tool. Sometimes the DIN standards are not quite enough. So like a 12mm tool, you got 26mm of flute. If you want a machine 30mm deep, then you go for the special, or you have the 50mm flute length. What we would then do is make you a tool with say a 32mm flute, so it's perfectly designed for the job you're looking for it to do. And we can turn these tools around usually within 2 weeks. We can turn them around within 1 week if necessary. And if push comes to shove and you want an uncoated tool, we can pretty much do a 24-hour service at a premium.